Hey there, recognize these? Yeah, these were the explainer videos we all binged on, thinking they were the future of learning. Cool then, but kinda old news now, right? But wait, don't click away. We're not here to recycle yesterday's hits. We're about to redefine the game for more engaging new explainer videos. Imagine diving into topics with videos that aren't just informative, thrilling, engaging, and bursting with creativity. Like these. Welcome to my channel. Are you wondering how to get your first 100 YouTube subscribers? Being stuck at 0 subscribers can be frustrating if you just started a YouTube channel. So if you're tired of watching the same old explainer ones, I think this tutorial will help. So why are explainer videos still essential nowadays? It's a short online marketing video used to explain a company's product or service in a digestible way. These videos are usually found on a company's homepage, product pages, or social media platforms. Why does everyone from solo entrepreneurs to Fortune 500 companies need such videos? Here are 4 key reasons. Firstly, they enhance understanding. Complex products and services require a more visual and engaging way to be explained, and videos, especially dynamic ones, can do just that. Secondly, they increase website traffic. By utilizing SEO techniques, we can elevate the search ranking of video content, attracting more traffic. Thirdly, they boost conversion rates. A well-crafted explainer video can attract potential customers more effectively, increasing conversion rates. Finally, they help amplify your brand impact. Through fun and educational explainer videos, your brand awareness and influence can be elevated. Perhaps you haven't fully grasped the importance of these videos yet. So let's see what industry experts have to say.
Explainer videos are the most powerful way to generate conversions for products/solutions/services that don't have a lot of demand already. Videos provide SEO benefits and gives businesses more potential visibility in organic search. They can have an advantage over text-only results.
Explainer videos are like infographics on steroids, and who wouldn't enjoy that?
They are extremely effective when it comes to improving people's understanding of your product or service.
So how did we use to make these explainer videos? Large companies might establish professional video teams or outsource to professional video advertising companies. However, for smaller companies or individual operators with limited budgets and time, Fiverr and Upwork have been excellent choices. These platforms connect global freelancers directly with businesses or individuals in need, reducing video production costs. Looking back at the videos we just showed, you'll notice that most explainer videos on social media platforms or Fiverr are 2D animations or whiteboard videos. If you've done your research, you'll know that working with Fiverr can be pretty unstable, and it takes a lot of time to find a collaborator who understands your needs and can produce high-quality videos. Upwork can solve this problem, helping you establish a stable, long-term partnership. However, you must provide more detailed video content and design templates. As for live-action explainer videos, hiring professional hosts or actors to shoot can be very costly, even on Fiverr or Upwork. So that is why HeyGen is here to help you. Look at these videos I've posted on the official HeyGen YouTube channel. Although you see me, it's actually my Avatar Lite. I only need to record a video and voice clip for my Avatar Lite. Then, our team can input the preset content, select my Avatar Lite and voice, click submit, and HeyGen will automatically complete the entire live-action explainer video. In this process, I don't need to participate in any recording, speaking, or production, freeing up time for other tasks. What do you think about those kinds of explainer videos? Or what specific questions do you have to ask? Please leave your comments below the videos.